that shaker hood on there. We're taking a ride in a lime green metallic 1970 Boss 302. This one is a pretty nice car. You can see the, the clock works on it. All the other gauges work. Radio works.
AM, FM.
Yeah, woo! AM, FM. Thing drives great. It's got a replacement block in it. So it's a Boss 302 block. It's not the original, numbers matching type one, but like I said, it's a replacement block, and it's got the solid lifter cam, got the right manifold, shaker hood, factory tack, and obviously a 4-speed. Came out of Huntington Beach, California. That's where it was bought first time. Got a Marti Report with it. This thing hauls butt. It's a nice car. They rated him about 290 horsepower, but
that's a joke.
That's a joke, that's just to get you past the, all the rules for the racing. And
it's got 390 posi in it.
Yeah, power disc brakes. Yep. So it's got a lot of stuff there, and it's pretty neat. I mean, you don't see a lot of them. Let's see if it goes fast. Oh, look at that. Woo! Sounds like a race car.
Runs good. We warmed it up first.
Yeah, that's a nice car. Sounds great though too, going down that solid lifter cam, exhaust.
Great documentation too. Documentation is always important with a car like this, and this is the real deal.
Yep, coming up here on the picture spot, so we'll check out.
Well, we buy and sell a lot of cars here at California Cars, but even I am excited about this one. 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Pretty special car. They made like 4,607 of these cars. This one has a Marti Report, window sticker. It's got the lime green metallic, which I think is great. I even like it a little better than the grabber colors. It's a California car sold in Huntington Beach when it was new, and that license plate is priceless. 1970 302 from California in 1970. So original license plates. If you're lucky enough to live in California, you get to keep those. It's got aftermarket wheels. They're Inkies, but they look pretty good on here. You can get the Magnums. They're available, the Magnum 500s, but these kind of look nice. They look correct, for the look. 4-speed. They all came in 4 speeds. This one has a 391 Trac-Lok Ford 9-inch differential. It's got the factory AM FM radio in there, clock. It's green on green, right out of the 70s. Got the fold down rear seat, which is nice. Put some stuff back there. Factory louvers still work great. Really easy to see out of it. They kind of looks like it'd be hard to see out of, but you don't even notice they're there when you're looking through the rear view mirror. Paint is old, decent condition. It's got a few flaws here, a little shrinkage here and there, but it looks like the original panels. Even the wheel wells are rolled from the factory on the Bosses, and that's all correct under here. It's a replacement service block. It is a 302 Boss motor from the Ford dealership. Probably blew up a couple years after the car was built. That's kind of what happened. Luckily they had some on the shelf, so the motor is a big part of this car value-wise, and it has it. This black striping on the side is reflective. At night when you shine a light on this, like if you drive by it with a car, it glows. It's pretty cool, and that's the way they were. It's reflective. Front rear spoilers, shaker hood. This is what a muscle car should be. Here's that power plant in the Boss 302. A lot of special, unique things about a Boss. It has extra metal around the bottom of the shock towers for strength. It's got this special 302 block with 4-bolt main with special webbing inside. Even the cylinder heads, intake, and carburetor are specific to this car. Pretty original under here, The shaker hood is nice. Power steering. Some of them didn't have power steering, so it's got power steering and power disc brakes, which is really nice so you can stop. We'll go ahead and walk around the back. We'll fire this one up for you right now. hear those solid lifters. Really lets the RPMs grab. That's what they were all about. High RPMs, high horsepower, race cars basically. It's got some nice long tube headers on there. Dual exhaust out the back. Yeah, that's some Ford muscle right there. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come see us out at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Our phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. We have additional pictures if you want them. We have all the documentation, so feel free to ask if you have any questions on this awesome muscle car. Thanks for watching.